Hi, it's Tim Quast for Market Structure Edge, and we're covering some navigation basics so you know how to use the platform. And it'd probably be helpful to know how to find a stock on the platform. We can't take gains and not chances without first finding stocks to apply the principles of supply and demand divergence to. So let's do that. Upper right corner of the screen here, you see there's a search box. Let's put in Palantir, PLTR, one of the favorites of retail traders. And notice that this box says stocks. So this is going to give us Palantir. Immediately we pull up the supply-demand equation, price, demand, the algorithm that tells us whether there's more buying and selling or less, and supply. And look at that, there's a divergence. Rising demand, falling supply. What happened to Palantir's price? Price went up. And you want to take gains, not chances. Then if you want to find Palantir in a portfolio, now choose the portfolio selection in the drop-down, hit the search icon again, and then it's going to find portfolios that stock is in. And if it's in more than one, you'll get multiple ones. We know it's in the tech sector, so the tech sector tile will show up. There it is, information technology. We can click through there and find it. But I'm going to talk about the metrics in the portfolio view next. So we'll see you at that.